Hello children, today we are going to start with chapter 9, that is communication. So in this chapter we will study about communication. We have personal means of communication, mass communication, and then I will tell you about the satellite communication as well as advertisement. Right? So we have communication. What is communication? The basic building blocks of all human interaction and relationship is called communication, whether it is verbal and non-verbal. If you are not communicating properly or effectively, you may feel that people do not understand. And what you are doing, you are not connecting with each other clearly. This can affect your relationship, both personal and at workplace. If we talk about personal means of communication, for a long time, people send message through messenger or horse rider. Pigeons were also used to send letters. Later on, what happened? Fastest means of transport and communication were developed. Things today have changed altogether. How do you send letters? A letter to be posted or one that is received has on it postal stamp. The amount paid for the postal stamp is actually fee taken to transport a letter. Now, but a few days too long period of time to send urgent message, hence telegram was used. जब हमें अर्जेंट मैसेज भेजने होते तो हम किसका यूज करते थे? टेलीग्राम का. To reach a destination anywhere in the world, this made possible through telegraph lines, and telegraph lines connect almost every continent. These lines has been laid down under oceans and seas. Little later, man made another breakthrough in the world of communication. This was probably the greatest invention, the telephone. Unlike its predecessors, the telephone was not a one-way medium, but a two-way mode of communication. Today, it is very easy to talk to anyone within the country with a facility called STD, that is subscriber trunk dialing, and taking to an oil outside the country, we have ISD, that is international subscriber dialing facility. If you don't have phone, then you can use telephone booths or PCU, that is public call office, for the purpose which is usually offer STD facility. Telephone still did recently has a immobile object. This meant that person could not carry it anywhere he was. Today, what we are doing today, there are mobile phones also called cellular phones which can be carried anywhere. A cellular phone is what? Two-way medium of communication. And we have some modern devices also for the communication. Right? So, a fax machine transfer and receive written documents almost instantly throughout the telephone line. Mass communication. When we have to connect with the people in large number, right, or a group. So book published in a country are sold throughout the world. They are easily translated to cover wide network of people. Newspaper and magazine, वो भी mass communication है, right? Now message could travel around the world in virtually no time. Because of the radio, the world seemed a small place as messages travel quickly and person could easily know what was happening thousands of kilometers away. Running commentary of sports game should be received, could be received, and this made even popular. Apart from these, schools lesson were also broadcast. Main advantage जो थी आपकी रेडियो की वो क्या थी कि that it was very cheap medium of communication. A person could easily afford it. कोई भी हो, हर कोई afford कर सकता है. Then came cinema, a very popular mass means of mass communication. We have cinema entertain also a number of people. We can divide cinema into two categories. One which entertain people and other which spread knowledge also. देखो आप कभी मूवी देखने जाते होंगे, आप मूवी भी देखते हैं, बीच बीच में कुछ एड्स आते हैं जो आपको नॉलेज देता है, कुछ स्प्रेड कर रहा है, कुछ इन्फॉर्मेशन. Countries today exchange both kind of cinema. Which make people understand the culture and lives of people. जिससे आप क्या कर सकते हो, लोगों की लाइफस्टाइल सीख सकते हो, उनका कल्चर क्या है, सब पता लगा सकते हो. Cinema also reduced immensely the gap between the people and the world seemed like a family. The other kind of cinema is for entertainment, जिसको हम feature film कहते हैं. And they came the television. It was the most important event and its cinema was brought into our home and it gave the latest news information and it also gives us immense entertainment like plays, music, drama, sport, festival programs, all you can see over here. Today, television programs from any part of the world has been seen because of the man-made satellite. Let's study with the satellite communication. people in and from different countries can take and ask questions from each other and each question can be immediately answered. और आप immediately answer भी कर सकते हो, right? जैसे space bridges हो गए, they are also called because they act as a bridge between the people of the world. Our world is becoming smaller each passing day because of the advancement in the field of communication. These satellites in space are very powerful and advanced cameras which takes photographs of the earth, and these helps us to understand and predict the climates of the various places. Satellite today has helps us. Today वो किसमें help कर रही है हमें? Sending and receiving hundreds of telephone calls. Now let's talk about advertisement, which is the mass communication. Firms advise or tell people about their products. We find advertisement in newspaper and magazine. This helps the firms to earn more money, but these advertisements reach only the literate people. Radio advertisement over a much wider area. Advertisement which we see on television are even powerful. They influence people to large extent. लोगों को influence करते हैं and it's difficult to decide what is suitable. Necessary or best for us, we as customer must be more cautious and not be carried away by advertisement. What they also gives us, right thing to choose. The modern use of mass communication is also very useful at times of emergency. Millions of invaluable lives are saved due to timely warning of floods, storms or other calamities. We must also remember that man is using these days for wars and destruction, and you should. What do you think this should happen? Right? You have to give your views on this. Now our chapter has been completed. Hope you understood. We will meet in the next class. Thank you.